Hello guys, this is Hard Reset Info and today I will show you how to fix yellow teeth on Snapseed. To fix yellow teeth, we have to go to Tools, go to Black and White. Here for this image I'm not gonna change the brightness, I'm just gonna change the contrast a little bit. Save this image. Now here, go to View Edits, click Black and White, click here this brush icon. Now I'm gonna zoom in for this man's teeth and I will use my finger to change his teeth color to white. I'm gonna be really careful not to go too far. It's not perfect, but I'm gonna save it here. Zoom out. And his teeth are more white. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time.